Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Xfinity password reset not working. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address, phone number, or Xfinity ID linked to your account. Then, check your internet connection to ensure that it is stable during the reset process. If you're not receiving the reset code or link, then go to your Gmail app, click on the three-line option in the top left corner, and then check your spam or junk folder to see if the messages were filtered there. Then try requesting the password reset again after a few minutes, especially if the system is temporarily busy. You can also try resetting your password using a different browser or device, as sometimes browser issues can cause problems. Then clear your browser cache and cookies if you are using the web browser. If this issue continues, contact Xfinity support to manually assist you with resetting your password. That's how you fix the Xfinity password reset not working. If this helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe.